What is going on, my dudes? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome back. Welcome back. Today we're doing some more device mod development. Device mod episode 99.875. Alright? We're approaching 100 here. Next one Crayfish better be 99.9375 Crayfish, or I'm not subscribing anymore. Better be 99.9375. That one has 5. Wait, what? I'll see you guys in the chat. Welcome back, everybody. So today we are going to be working on more of kind of everything. I know I put App Store in the title, but it's going to be kind of more of everything today, because we want to try and aim for a release. And I think one thing that we haven't added in forever is actually implementing the App Store and installing applications, and we've already kind of started it, but we need to obviously finish it, because we need to make it a good update. Maybe we can make it so you can purchase things as well. That's something I haven't done yet either, so we'll have to do that. I love how Mr. Crayfish has 21k subs and only 10 people watching. Yesterday around 30 people. Oh my god, he doesn't have the amount of subscribers that he has in the live stream. I've mentioned this before. Alright, for example, Dan TDM. What is it, 15 million subscribers. He only had 25,000 people watching. Where's the rest of his 24 million and a half thousand subscribers not watching the live stream? If you scale that down, it's probably the same. If you scale it down, it's probably the same. Help Java 8 version update 171 isn't installing. What? But how's everybody doing today? Now, I've got something super duper exciting. Now, I didn't live stream yesterday. I'm sorry about that. However, I didn't take that for granted, alright? I didn't take yesterday for granted, because yesterday, the reason why I didn't stream is because I was having so many problems rendering videos and getting a video out onto the main channel that I was just I got kind of annoyed. I got really annoyed because I kept just rendering the video and it kept on getting corrupt. And basically I did that so many times, then I just exported it in the actual program instead of, because I usually use Adobe, I think it's the encoder one, where it's just basically a standalone encoder. However, I exported it just in Premiere and it worked. So, something glitched with the encoder program. Anyway, what I actually did yesterday was something special. Alright guys, you guys get ready for this. We're taking live streams to the next level right here, alright? We're taking live streams to the next level. So what we're going to do is switch over to the main layout right now. Is it on the right one? Hold up. Please. Hold up. Make sure this is all good. Doesn't say that I'm actually on. We'll just try it anyway. Let's go ahead. Let's switch over to the main layout in 3, 2, 1. Oh, dang. Oh, dang, that was sick. So basically, I created a transition for scenes now. Makes it look super duper dope. And the layout now is a little bit better. I'm still working on it. I just don't like where the sponsors are. I gotta fix up a bunch of this stuff. Where's my mouse in terms of the... yeah, I'm gonna fix up all this stuff over here, kind of, but... Pretty cool transition. What do you guys think? Rate it out of 10 right now. Ten out of 10. It's pretty awesome. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty awesome. Spent quite some time, so I'm actually gonna be having something like that on my main channel as well. So. Instead of yellow, it's going to be red, and it's going to be used in my videos. So I've always because I've had the same style for a while now, and I want to you know, I want to improve it. I want to do something cool. So I think I'm going to do that on my main channel as well for the videos. So in actual red. Let's do it one more time for you guys. It's pretty sick, isn't it? Mr. Crayfish Live. I would like to put my socials on it as well. I think that should be a good thing to do. And also, okay, that's not it, alright? That's not it, okay? We got something else. We got something else we can show off, alright? So, you guys have seen this one before. You can become a sponsor and support the live stream, get custom emoji, sponsor only Minecraft server, and more. I actually updated that. I forgot to export it with the new emojis. But yeah, you guys have seen that one before. By the way, become a sponsor. And this is a new one. So this one I mentioned I was going to do if you've followed the live streams. But this one is something we haven't done for a very long time. And I need you guys to join in with me here. I need you guys to join in with me here. So we're gonna make cheese hypes. We're gonna make cheese hypes a little bit more special. We're gonna make them a little bit more special. So, hear me out, guys. Hear me out. So when we do a cheese hype, what you need to do now is still comment cheese hype in the chat. Use the custom emojis. However, at the same time, make sure you go ahead as well and snap the like button right in half when we do a cheese hype. Like it's gonna be an epic hype. It's gonna be an epic hype for this live stream. All right. And then, yeah. So, let's go ahead. Let's do the first kind of official ever cheese hype in the world. This is a world's first. You guys are getting an exclusive right now. So, let's go ahead. Let's do a cheese hype in 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype! Boom! Slap the like button too. Dang! Cheese hype! So that is that's the official cheese hype, my dudes. Oh my god, who's calling me? Alright, I'm gonna have to take this as my dad. I'm gonna have to take this. It's my dad. Oh yeah, I don't think it muted. Whoops. Oh my god, why is the cheap type going off? Forgot to deactivate it. Yeah, I'm still learning my layouts. Is my microphone on? Yeah, it is. Did that actually mute it, or is that glitching out? Okay, I've got to fix that up. It's not actually muting the microphone. That's why I kind of went outside of my office because I wasn't sure if it actually muted it. But we're back. But that was a sick cheese hype. Hopefully you guys like that cheese hype little overlay that I created. Pretty cool, if you guys ask me. Cheese hype with cheese falling down from the roof. Pretty cool. Infinity out of 10. That's impossible. Why can't you be a sponsor for free? Because you can't. That's just how it works. The idea of a sponsor. That's why YouTube I implemented sponsors is to support your favorite YouTuber by subscribing. Basically subscribing yourself to give them money. If you guys can't sponsor, there's so many other things you can do. You can retweet over on Twitter. You can like the video. You can be active in the chat. You can reply to tweets over on Twitter. There's so many things you can do without having to pay. So, just so you guys know. Because if you're wanting to become a sponsor, you're basically supporting me. But there's so many other things you can actually do to support me. So, choose wisely. I don't know. Think of something to do to support me. What do you guys personally do to support me? Like, I know some of you guys sponsoring, Patreon, but what else do you guys do? I like every video as soon as it comes out. I'm as fast as lightning. I'm as fast as the Flash when I see that notification. Cray, I would sponsor, but I needed to add a credit card to my PayPal. The only reason I have PayPal is so I don't need to use a credit card. RIP. Crayfish, remember me? Dustbin on wheels. Feisty Leo. Yeah, I remember you did. Dustbin on wheels. It ain't a dustbin. You're, it's incorrect. Hold on, I need to fix up this. It's not right. Is that better? Yeah, there we go. A lot better now. But yeah, I just wanted to have like a clean layout on these live streams. Because like now, my webcam area is just me and the text below. But I still need to clean up the sponsors. I don't like the sponsors position. But yeah, I'm still cleaning it up. But the whole transition thing is really awesome. And I'm going to create one as well. I'm going to create a live streaming layout for my main channel as well that has red. Because like what I'm doing is this channel is going to be all yellow themed, and then my main channel is going to be all red themed. So if I ever do live streams on my main channel, it's going to have a red version of it, but I want to implement that actual transition into my videos as well. My mom won't let me donate or become a sponsor. RIP, dude. That's alright. It's alright. I've been subscribed since the beginning of this channel. Have you? Awesome. That's crazy. What was my first video? What was the first video of this channel? Pretty sure it was a command block tutorial. Or it was a Windows 10 add-on tutorial. One of the two. Anyway. Let's go ahead, let's check where we're up to. Let's also make sure we're on the correct branch here before we start doing any work. Device mode. We're in Git Web, okay. We're in Git Web. Let's go to applications instead. And let's launch it up, baby. Let's launch it up, baby. It's 7 AM in the morning for me. How's this right? I thought I was streaming an hour earlier. I don't know why. I set an alarm for 10 AM, right? Set an alarm for 10 AM. Okay. And then I was in bed and I was like, oh yeah, I'll just browse my phone for a little bit. And then I got up thinking that it was like almost 10:30. And then I look at the time and it's 11:30 and I'm like, what? Like I was so confused. Because I honestly I was like, I got up to stream at 10:30. And then I'm like, it's not 10:30, it's 11:30. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's because I went to bed late last night. My body needed it. My body needed it. I usually like, my body like, has like a habit of sleeping like, at minimum 7 hours. Like, that was 7 hours technically. Because I went to bed at like 3 and then I woke up at 11. So... But I'm getting really annoyed of going to bed late. It's like really annoying me so much. Like, I want to be in bed at midnight. That's my goal, is to be in bed at midnight. So I need to work on my schedule and kind of habit. I need Git Web access. I'll give it soon. I'll give it soon. I should probably give it to you so you can start creating lots of websites. But yeah, we'll have to, yeah. Alright, why can't I hear sounds? Oh, so the sounds are off. Okay. But yeah, this is the one thing, I mean, it's not too much of a problem. I think if we ever The thing is, I gotta make sure we don't use this scene transition too much. So I think, you know, like, this is fine when I bring up the game like this. Like, there'll be times where I actually want to bring up the game for a very long time, and that's when I'll actually use, the transition. But yeah, it's gonna make sure you guys can see this. But like, one thing I'd love to do as well, it'd be cool to have like a cropped version of Minecraft. A cropped version of Minecraft that just has the laptop screen. I think that'd be cool, just to have that on the live stream. And then I could just toggle it on and off, or something like that. That'd be cool. Would you guys want to see that? Is it okay if I do not donate and do not become a sponsor? Of course it is, dude. There's so many other things you can do. There's so many other things you can do if you can't become a sponsor and whatnot. As I mentioned, retweeting over on Twitter, liking the video, being active in the chat, liking my videos, all that type of stuff. Everything else besides sponsoring. If you can think of everything else. Send me coffee. No, this costs money. Cray, I've been a subscriber since the beginning. I read it out already. Should we need a yeet. Oh, that's one thing we don't have. We need a yeet. We need like a yeet overlay. Should I create a yeet overlay, guys? Yeet! Yeet! Alright, so App Store. I wanted to create like screenshots, right? I think this one actually has the updated. Yeah, it does. Dang, look at that layout, dude. Look at that layout. I love the number 99.875. My computer breaks, so I have to quit Minecraft. Rest in pepperonis, my dude. Hopefully you can get your computer fixed soon, dude. Are you gonna look into it at some point? Who was this? What happened to my PR? Oh yeah, I'm gonna look into it. I'm pretty sure. I thought I added it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna add it, dude. I want to check it out before I actually merge it, because I know you did some changes. Hey, Minecraft dude has become a sponsor. What up, my dude? Boom, 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 boom. How's it now? These overlays are like nothing compared to my custom overlays. Like seriously, like that should be when a new sponsor actually comes in, you know? That's what it should be like when a new sponsor happens. Like, none of that just simple pop-up stuff. I want that to be a thing. Why can't that be a thing? Streamlabs. Alright, here's a cool thing. Streamlabs. If you're out there, listen to me right now. Alright? Listen to me right now. We need to be able to toggle events. We need to be able to toggle sources. Toggle sources using events that happen. So like, for instance, a sponsor, play a video and then turn it off. Yeet! Everyone send this. Yeet. Yeah, what the flip, that was so cool. Yeah, Blue Barracuda, you haven't seen it. You haven't seen it yet. If you guys just joined in, I'm going to be showing this off for quite a bit today, but if you guys joined in, we basically got a brand new transition for scenes. So take a look at this. Oh, dang. Ah, what the heck? Technical difficulties. Alright, there we go, guys. Neat. Viper Sniper! I read it out like a billion times. My god. I read it out like a billion times. There are only 27 peeps. You know, that's fine. We got 27 peeps in the chat. That's amazing. Thank you guys for joining in today. Hopefully you're enjoying the live stream today. We're getting some progress done on the device API. Or the device mod, I should say. Endermail. What a beautiful application. I'm not gonna lie. What a beautiful application. We need this to be like on this page here as well. So I'll have to fix that up. Email. Register. What's up, Cray? What up, TJ? How you doing? Send the yeet emoji. Yeet. Yeet. I'm gonna type 45. Update furniture mod. It is updated. Thank God. Update the device mod to 1.12.2, please, Cray. It already is. Alright, so one thing I want to do, Note stash. Don't think that has any work yet, doesn't? We definitely need to create like a picture for that. You need to update furniture mod for more views, lol. If you do this, Crayfish, you're gonna get more views. I don't think I'm gonna get any more views than normal. But we might do, maybe, because I said I wanted to do one last update for the furniture mod, so in the future we might do another one in the future. Do the transition again, it was so sick. Maybe. Yeet! Can make more elegant, Cray, what? In Kotlin, instead of doing var doesn't equal to null, you can just do var question mark something and you're good. Literally the same thing. Yeah, that's a pretty cool thing, I'm not gonna lie. That's a pretty cool syntax. When are we going to hit Livestream 100? Never. We're approaching Livestream 100. We're approaching, we're never going to hit it. The picture for it can be a paintbrush with a coloured trail behind it. Wait, what? Don't know. I want to play a video. How can I do that? I want to play like a video. Maybe I can make like a GIF. I might be able to make a GIF with that, hype thing, and then I can actually put that on Streamlabs and have it as a, because I want the sponsor thing to be epic. Who doesn't want the sponsor thing to be epic? So I'll probably might get like a GIF. Then I can have on there for all of them. Because I want it to be super cool. What do you think about the 1.13 update? It's awesome. I think it's one of the best updates to Minecraft. Adds so much. That's why it's cool. So I might actually do a live stream on my main channel when 1.13 officially comes out of like survival. Actual survival mode, my dudes. We might as well do a... Oh no, we can't really. I'd love to do a server, but I don't want to have a laggy server. Because, yeah. The new swimming ability, yeah, it's awesome. But I might start like fresh. We'll do like a fresh survival series. Nah, I don't want to do a sponsor. I don't want to do a server. Because like, if I'm going to do a server, like, we're only going to be able to get one in the US. And then I'm going to have like 300 MS lag. I'm gonna have like a 300 ping, which is like, and it's gonna ruin from the experience. I want to have fun, so I might just have just a single player world and play around with it. Host your own. Yeah, but I have to host one. Like, I don't have anywhere. No, Jackson, you're forgetting the point. 300 ping. 300 ping. 300 ping. I don't want to take away from the experience of the new update. Like, I don't want to lag. I don't want to lag out when playing the new update. So I want to do like just a single player world and play around with it. Like, I wouldn't mind. Yeah, but also I like, the thing is as well, I don't want to be like, I want to experience it for myself in a way as well. Like, I do want to experience it with you guys, but like, I don't know. Because like, let's say I play survival mode and we have a server, everyone's gonna want to live with me. Maybe. Just buy an Australian server for like 1 year for Minecraft, maybe. Nah, I'm not hosting a server in the US. That's exactly what I was saying, right? I don't want to have like a 300 ping. Someone may want to sleep with you too. Probably true, to be honest. Alright, so what should we do? What do you guys want me to do? So we could work on this homepage, because oh yeah, that's why, like, one thing with this homepage, right, is we didn't have scrollable layouts when I actually started designing it. But now we actually do have scrollable layouts, so we can actually put in a scrollable layout here, and we can actually add stuff to it now. Use Eternos? What? Eternos. What is it? No Eternos. It sucks a lot. I don't know. It's perfect for server hosting. I'm getting mixed responses here. I want Sir Piggles back. He'll be back. But what do you guys want me to do? Should we work on this homepage for the application market? Because like, it's really the next thing we need. Because besides like, this is like the search where you can find all the applications. We just need an actual homepage that kind of has some stuff on it. Love what you did with the engines in the vehicle mod. Thanks, TJ. Yeah, they're really awesome. We've definitely got to work on them though a little bit more. Because one thing I want to add, I want to be able to actually be able to add the engines to the vehicles. You have to wait forever and it's free. When people say it's free, there's obviously something behind it that's not free. Like, you get a server, but then you probably get marketed with like tons of. But I don't know. They can't just have it free. There's some sort of business model. There's some sort of business model. Alright. Pay homepage? Yeah, alright. We'll do it. Okay. Only yes, us against the world. Have it to myself. Have it to myself. Have it to myself. Uh-oh. 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 No! Where's the scrollable layout come from? Where did I develop the scrollable layout? What branch? Components. It's components, isn't it? No, it's not. It's gotta be Git web. Yeah, it is. Ah! Nice. Okay. Let's go back to applications. Branch, merge into current branch, Git web. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Let's resolve the conflicts. Ah, there's only a couple. Good. Goody good, good, good. Not victims. Which one? Uh-oh. Wait, that's from the server. That would be the Git web. There we go. And laptop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Taskbar. Uh-huh. 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 Well, it's not used, so I'll get rid of that. Maybe it just doesn't know that it's used yet. We'll see. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's right. I want to know that NBT tag is used. Oops. Alright. Why is this so awkward? Hold up. I guess it doesn't really matter too much. Help someone, please. Oh, I'm out of coffee! I'm out of coffee. I drank it already. Anyone want to send me a coffee, please? Someone buy me a coffee, please? Wish I had Uber Eats to here. Get a coffee. If anything, that'd probably be overpriced. Overpriced for it. Hold up, we need to figure this out. Yeah. Get rid of that. Yeah. Yep. 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 Yeah. Yep. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll fix some conflicts up. Is that everything? 3 changes, no conflicts. Oops. Uh-huh. 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 There we go. Cleaned it up. Alright. Merge, boy. My god, 93. push. Let's see how many actually that made on GitHub. Also, I haven't checked the GitHub yet. No notifications, cool. I have like so many people following me on GitHub, it's pretty insane. Like every single day, like look, 8 hours ago, 2 days ago, new followers, like almost a follower every single day. Tons of people following me. I got like almost 300 followers. More subs than your YouTube channel. 271. More subs than your YouTube channel, guys. Combined. Are you up some fork knife after the stream? If I'm still awake. Maybe, we'll see. I've got to get lunch, so... today, I'll actually go on voice chat after the live stream, so if you guys are a sponsor... make sure you're a part of the Discord. And I'm going to go on voice chat, so you guys can have a chat with me. They're stealing the assets, Cray. The assets! What do you mean? No one's stealing my assets. My assets. I just followed on GitHub, forgot to do that. Thank you. If anybody could go follow, please. I need follows. Y'all got any of those follows for GitHub? Y'all spare any of those stars as well? If you guys haven't, if you guys follow me on development, go star my repositories, please. I'd appreciate it. We got 94 on that. We need some more. We need some more love on the gun mod and the vehicle mod. So if you haven't started already, if you guys haven't started already, go star it. Give me some love. Some of that love. Alright. So let's have a look. Device mod. Star the device mod too. If you haven't. Give me some of that love. I'm late. Bloxyway, what the heck? Probably didn't even get notified by YouTube. Probably didn't even get notified by YouTube. Bloxyway, check out this. Check out this dude. Watch this. Oh, dang. How cool is that? We back. Yeah, some of you guys may have not seen it. Neat. That's awesome. Yeah. I worked on it yesterday. Like, yesterday I didn't live stream, so I was like, oh, let's do something cool. Let's start creating some new stuff. Because, like, one thing I've been wanting to do is, like, redesign a ton of things and also do some new stuff for my videos as well. So, expect some more changes as well soon. Like, I want to redesign this layout. I'm not, like, 100% happy with it because, like, my face is here, then the event box is over there with the donators. It's kind of annoying. It's kind of annoying. And then the sponsors just randomly there. So I want to clean it up and make it look better. I might actually do something like what I might do is actually pull apart the IntelliJ screen and have like subsections, like, so I can lay out things better, because then what I can do is like have like a layout, like I can move around all the components of IntelliJ and put them where I want. So I want to have like this viewer in it, because this is kind of important when you're seeing what I'm doing. I need to have the output in it, and then I also want to have like the actual code, obviously. Like, I want the code. How good would this be, right? If the code was like all the way from the top to the bottom and you guys could read it all. I think that would be so much better. So I'm going to try and figure out a way that I can actually do that, because that would be really awesome. But I don't know. Might be difficult, because I'm restricted on terms of layout, because I can't really move this down. Like, that's as far as I can move it before it gets too small, because that's the output of the actual thing. The only way I could do it is to shrink this, right? And then I can actually stretch that out. But then it's like kind of too small, in my opinion. It's too small. Like, I need at least that width to actually see a lot of the code. Buy another monitor. Buy another monitor. Buy a mansion to fix it, Cray. You gotta buy a mansion to fix it, alright? That's how you fix it. Alright, let's have a look how many commits. This is like checking out the commits stream. Applications. 956, not bad. We're getting close to that 1,000. It's slowly getting there. Obviously, obviously, the amount of commits doesn't mean it's a good project, but it just shows the kind of progress that we have with the device mode. So almost up to 1,000 commits. Like 1,000 commits on a project is quite a lot. If they're like a lot of my commits are quite meaningful. Like I never do a commit that's just like one. I mean, sometimes it's just one change. It depends on what I'm doing, but like all my commits are quite meaningful. Added padding to header module. So like quite a meaningful commit there. Hey, TJ Super Chat of $5. Thanks, dude. That is what's up. I just hate this. I hate this pop-up now. It needs to be so much more epic, but shout out to you, TJ Mains, for the $5. And he said yeet. He didn't actually say that out. He said yeet though. Can everybody get a yeet in the chat? Can I get a yeet? We might do the yeet challenge. You guys want to do the yeet challenge? If you guys don't know what the yeet challenge is, basically grab the nearest thing to you right now. I don't care if it's your mum. I don't care if it's your cat. I don't care if it's your little brother. Yeet him right now across the room. Yeet him across the room right now. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Yeet! I'm savage as heck. You just like cooked up the best. You just cooked up the best dinner. Yeet! Yeet the drink. Yeet drink. My glasses. My cat rip. Someone's like rip my dog. He was a good dog. I threw my dog out the window. Rip. My god. What did you guys yeet? You gotta tell me what you yeeted. Otherwise, you guys are lying. You guys are lying. What did you guys yeet? What the heck? Lel. Let's commit that. Fixed crash. Fixed. Imports. Fixed imports. See, that's like an example of a commit, because like technically that update was broken. My phone, now code please. My drink. I yeeted balloon. I thought you said I thought it was just said I yeeted bacon. My mouse, no. Yeeted my computer, so now I can't watch the live streams. All around the world. I don't know, it's not the right song. I yeeted my brother's Fitbit. Alright. So let's get working on the Apple Store. Let's close others. Like to start fresh. Ah, there's my scrollable layout. Thank you. Here goes new scrollable layout. What are the params? Width. It's gonna be layout width. Okay. Height 1 billion. Visible height. We didn't get that far. We did not get that far. Take 21. Uh-oh. 0, 21. $1 billion. Scroll. Let's rename this like scrollable. Maybe like home. Whoopsie, sorry. Home page layout. Needs to be a more descriptive variable name. Productive coding. No productive coding, guys, here. Spending an hour trying to create a name for a variable. Yes. That's what I like to do in these live streams. That's literally me in these live streams, guys. I like productive. Being productive. Like, what have we done today in like half an hour? Nothing. What have we done? I hate productive live streams. I hate productive live streams. Hey Cray, where did you learn coding? I just practice over the years. Practicing over the years, my dude. But if you're wanting to know, YouTube tutorials. The thing is, like, all the stuff that I learned how to program is like out of date now, because I learned a lot of programming through just Minecraft programming. And like I followed tutorials that were like for old versions of Minecraft, but at the time they were the latest versions, so you can't really follow them anymore. But there's a lot of videos on YouTube. There's a lot of programming tutorials. Yeah, a lot of programming tutorials on YouTube. It's just a matter of practice. Like, the thing is, I do programming almost every single day. If you do anything almost every single day, no matter what it is, you're gonna get good at it. Like, it's pretty much a fact. It is a fact, my dude. What happened here? What happened here? What are we missing? Implement method. Intent. Sick. I'm not sure if you guys know about this yet. Maybe you don't. But really cool new feature with the device mode now is that in the initialize method, we've actually got a parameter here called intent, and it's kind of based off like Android, kind of how what it does with that, where you can actually kind of send data to another activity. And the whole point of this is you can actually open up an application, right, from another application and provide it data with what to do. Like, you could say, let's say, because this could be null, but if it's not null, you could provide data like, for example, GitWeb, you could provide a URL for it to load up straight away. Like, so in here we could say load up the URL cheese.com. And like GitWeb will know to do that straight away, which is cool. GitWeb. Did I say GitHub? I meant GitWeb. Do not use mcreator, because you learn nothing. You need to start from scratch, learn how to program Minecraft mods from scratch, learn how the life cycle works, learn how it loads up mods, learn how everything works. I threw on a monitor and I was cleaning it, but I cleaned it totally. What? Any of you guys send in any of the love? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, you guys definitely sent the love. Look at this. Here we go. Where did it start here? Ton of you guys started following me. Starred. You guys went off. Thank you guys for your support over there. Blue Barracuda. You guys starred them. Oh dang. TJ. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it definitely went up. 12 on the gun mod now, 9 on the vehicle mod, more on the device mod, furniture mod too. You guys sending it love. Colors seem to disappear and not work sometimes. Update. Jackson, have you updated to 0.8.1? Is Jackson here? Jackson, where you at? Update to 0.8.1, my dude. I fixed it. code, please. Wait, what? But what I learned is obsolete. Yeah. Don't use it. Like, the problem with mcreator is that if there's a bug, you can't fix. I mean, you can fix it, but the thing is, if there's a bug and it's because of mcreator's fault, you can't really fix it if you don't know programming. So you're gonna be left with a mod that's buggy. You need to know how. Like, the thing is, like, I mean, sometimes you don't need to know how everything works, but in my mods, I never write code that I'm just like, oh, that works, whatever. I don't know how it works, but it works. I never want to say that. I want to know how everything in my application works, in my mod works. Like, every bit of code, I want to know how it works. I don't want to be like, oh, it just works, so I just wrote something random. Like, that's what it's like when you program with mcreator. You don't know what you're really doing. It just works. So I use it. Oh my god, hey, what was that? Master Chief! Dude, where is he?
Disregard this. This is not a donation. It is in fact the illusion of me donating.
Because I get so many from you, dude. I get so many. Holy shoot, dude. Can we get some hype for Master Chief right now? Give some love with some emojis in the chat right now. We should do the Teletubby emoji. I need to get like a little coin emoji. Get a coin emoji. I think we might put like the Minecraft emerald into the emojis. So whenever somebody donates or something like that, you guys can spam. You can spam the Minecraft emerald. That'd be really cool. But like, we need some more sponsors, guys. Become a sponsor, alright? Get access to custom emoji, a sponsor-only Minecraft server, and more. And hopefully, if we can get some more sponsors, we can actually get some more emoji. Because I actually had to delete one. I think I had to delete 2. So, become a sponsor if you ever thought about it. It's going to help out quite a lot. Because I definitely want to get some more custom emoji. I think we're up to like fixed sponsor window. What's wrong with it? Song name. Song name is Safe and Sound by Different Heaven. No, Different Haven. Heaven or Haven? No, Heaven. Safe and Sound by Different Heaven. Needs Yeet. You know, the pop-ups now look so bad in comparison to the other overlays that I've got. Because those are actually videos. And then the ones that are... Yeah, we'll see how I can fix it up. It's kind of annoying. Alright, homepage. So we're gonna do like homepage dot add. Oh, sorry, we're gonna do like an image. We're gonna do that banner again. we need like git web here, but we're gonna have to do it more of a raw style. Image equals no image. Oh, this is a good song. Inside lane. Width would be layout. Width. Oopsie. And height, I don't know. 100. 50. Image. Then we need to get an image for it. Now, we want to get a nice image. Did I take any nice screenshots recently? I might have taken some more. I love this song. Don't you wanna feel home? Don't you wanna feel... I can't sing. There's a nice screenshot here. Ah, beautiful. Absolutely magnificent crayfish. It's where so many of my thumbnails come from here. That's why there's so many. There's so many like duplicates because all of my thumbnails come from this. Full speed, pull the headset back. You can't win them all. But I'm glad I tried. Glad we had a dialogue. It's good to shape the mind. Oh my god, Crayfish, do you see what 9 Minecraft did with your vehicle mod on their site? Yeah, I've seen it. We should check it out. Actually, let's check it out on the live stream right now. Hold on, I got it on Twitter, I think. Oh no, who sent it to me? It was Jackson. Hold up. Alright, here it is, guys. Alright, so before we actually do click on this, I just want to give you guys some quick context and also some useful information. Now, if you guys have ever downloaded mods off 9 Minecraft, don't. Alright? I mean, the thing is, like, a ton of these are perfectly legal, which is the thing and why these exist. But don't go to 9 Minecraft, because basically what they do is they re-upload mods, put ads on their website, and host the actual file on their own website. So basically they're making money off everybody else's work. That's the whole point of this kind of business model, is that they steal mods, put ads on their website, everybody goes onto it, downloads it, instead of actually going to the places that the creators actually uploaded their own mods, such as CurseForge and my own website. If you guys ever download my mods, only from CurseForge and my website. But the funny thing that we have going on with these websites is that they make really crap graphics. And that's why you see on a lot of my graphics, my website watermark on all of them, because they will actually steal it and put it up on their own website. So that's why I take away that kind of them being able to steal my graphics, and they have to create their own. So you'll see from this vehicle mod one that they've pretty much 100% created everything on this, except for like some things in the banner where they've just stolen thumbnails from my videos, which is funny. But do not go to this website, guys. Do not download mods from here, because you're literally just giving somebody else, except for the creator, money. Alrighty. So this is kind of funny. It's kind of funny, alright? Mr. Crayfish's vehicle mod. Early childhood toys. Early childhood toys. Okay, I added in a June buggy, but it's not early childhood toys mod, it's a vehicle mod. Alright? It's a vehicle mod. That's what watermarks are for, yes. So, basically I put watermarks on all my stuff so they don't copy it. Because if I don't, they'll just upload it and they can use the graphic. So, basically the watermark prevents them from using it, and because it has my website on it, so they don't want people going off to another website. So, how's this banner that they created? How's this banner that they created? Look, they got my thumbnails, put an ugly cropped version of my logo there, 9 Minecraft underneath, and then they put this really hard to read vehicle thing here over the top of it all. Like, they're literally just like, boom, 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 Photoshop, boom, boom, boom. That looks so good, whatever, I don't care. Like, they spent like 1 minute creating this graphic. Literally. And like, the thing as well, they copy exactly the description as well. So like, a little bit of this is not mine, but like, pretty much all that there is what I wrote. Same with here, like features. They even did exactly the same here. It did a list of it, and then there's also the link to the furniture mod install, and then of course it links off to their website as well. But have a look at this. This is where it gets funny. They literally just take screenshots from my videos, and like, they're not even like cropped. They're like cropped half of the right side of it off. But they just take screen. Look. They just put my my world in it with me on it. It looks so stupid. But I literally just spammed screenshots. Like some guy literally went through my videos to get screenshots from it. And like they've even hosted my obfuscate mod as well on here. Obfuscate, they've hosted Minecraft Forge, and then yeah, this is where basically they host their own files on their own websites and you have to download it from theirs. So pretty annoying. And then you go down to the comments and you see all the people that have fell for it. Like look, it says file missing. Download obfuscate mod. Like look, 1.7.10 please, 1.8.9 please, 1.7.10 please. I don't post it on here, guys. I don't post it on here, so why are you guys even on here? But I thought it was funny. Like, I think this graphic is hilarious. Like, it's the worst designed graphic. I'm gonna be a graphic designer when I grow up, alright? Look, this is my best work right here. This is my best work, alright? Graphic design is in my blood, alright? Look at the ATV. Yeah, and they watermarked the video too. They just put literally mine Minecraft down below. So you can't steal their images, alright? No stealing their screenshots, alright? No way at all. No way, Jose. But like, because I put so much effort into my graphics, guys, just so you know. I put a lot of work into my graphics, like I'll show you for instance. Minecraft vehicle mod graphics. This is like the serious stuff that I don't want them taking. Like this stuff in here, I worked probably like maybe an hour getting all this done. But like, for instance, like this here, this is like official stuff, and it's renders of all the vehicles, and then I've plastered copyright over it so they can't crop it out easily. Don't worry, I'm only showing the watermarked version. They will copy from stream. Probably. But that's the watermarked version. There is all the other ones as well. But that's all I'm going to show. Yeah, a lot of cropping. Yeah, you can't, like, I hate being like, it's kind of like being obnoxious with my watermarking, so I'm putting it over the top of like the most important things on the image. But like, the thing is, nobody will like, to be honest, I wouldn't care too much. Like, the thing is, I'm trying to kind of protect my work, so that's why I have that over the top. I have 9 years of photoshopping. I understand. Like, cause I know how to get rid of stuff. I know how to get rid of watermarks in Photoshop. All right. But they're not going to put that much effort into doing it, so... Because, like, they publish, like, boom, 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 boom. They do not put a lot of work into their posts. So, they don't have the time to crop out a they don't have the time to remove a watermark. That's why they create their own crappy graphics. Alright, so, we were looking at screenshots. Hold on, let's bring that over here. I was thinking that one looked good, but I don't know. Have a look at this. Pretty cool. It's from the Minefields server, my dudes. The Minefields server. Trying to think, what one should we use for like the actual... We need like an app store. Like, that's pretty cool. What do you guys think? You like my screenshotting skills? Sue him? You can't. They screenshot this vehicle mod. Headlights not really possible. Like, I can add one for aesthetics, but I can't really add one that actually works. Like for aesthetics, yes. Because like it'd be pretty cool with one on the actual mini bike. Someone was saying to add mud guards to it, so I could add mud guards and the actual headlight to the mini bike. That would be cool. Do you guys like this screenshot? Do you think we should use it? Let's go open with Photoshop. And let's create an image out of it. We'll do it like 500 by 100 high. To make it a little bit more like... let's create a new... We'll say canvas size. Hold up. Rasterize, layer from background. So image, canvas size, 500 by 100. Alright. Nearest neighbor, yes, we'll do that. We want it to look like Minecrafty. Oh no, we should probably do something like... I think nearest neighbor will be the best one. We lose so much context of it. We lose the actual... We could make it bigger. Let's just say that. What we're gonna do is canvas size, we'll double it maybe. Maybe 150. 160. There we go, now we've got some more context, kind of. I want some more of that ground in it, though. Let's go remember what we're... Like, I want that top bit of it in, but like, I need the bottom of it too. That's why it's hard to get screenshots for this, because like, they need to be very specifically designed images. Like something like this. See how it's like long? Guess it doesn't matter too much. What are people saying counting down? 28 people, 30 people watching. Dang, this is pretty good. 30 people watching. If you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, make sure you remember to go ahead and snap that like button right in half. I think one thing I need to create is a snap the like button overlay, because we have the cheese hype overlay. Oh dang! Pretty awesome. I love it. Boom. But I want to have like, okay, this is one thing I want to do, right? For like cheese hypes, I would love it if it was like if someone donated like, I think, like let's say it's like $10, then we'll do a cheese hype. Like I would love something like that where I can trigger it based on donations, and as well like stuff like it could be like other stuff as well. But I have some really cool ideas in mind, and hopefully I can pull them off. Because Streamlabs does have like an API that I can do stuff with, so I'm gonna try and do something with it. 33 people, dang! We'll just keep saying, you know, keep it entertaining. All right, I'm gonna keep talking 24/7 here to keep it entertaining. All right, we're gonna go ahead and duplicate this, and what we're going to do is duplicate. I'm gonna filter, blur. Gaussian blur, too much. That looks better. The reason why we the reason for duplicating is because sometimes it has transparency around the edge. So So if we have like a normal one on the back and then we have the transparent above, it's gonna look a whole lot better. That actually looks pretty cool. Let's merge them together. We can copy that. Now I do want to make an official graphic, so it's probably best that I save this in the actual resources, because if we have it on like a URL, then it's gonna like might not load up. So it's better that we actually have this in the resources of here. Textures, GUI. Is there like an application? Yeah, we do actually do that. App market background. No, I wouldn't have said what I said. It's funny to watch you work in Photoshop. Why's that? What is that, my dude? I'm probably doing something wrong. How much RAM you got on that computer? 32. We got 32 people. No, sorry, not 32. 32 gig. 32 gigabytes, my dude. I gotta have that. I've never used 32 gigs of it though yet, but slowly we will start approaching 32 gigabytes, and 64 will be like the norm. 64 will be like the norm. Like, I don't think you can even buy like a computer. Like, I think the minimum now is like 8 gigabyte of RAM. I'm pretty sure that's like the norm for computers now. 8 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's do image banner dot set resource, new resource location, reference. Let's see. Set image. How high did we do that? Image size 160. So let's do 80. New resource location, reference dot mod ID. Textures, GUI, app market background dot PNG. So image edit drawer, set drawer full true. There we go. Let's go ahead, let's load that up and see what it looks like. I got 29 gig of RAM and 2 terabyte ROM. How do you have 29 gig of RAM? Doesn't make sense, you can't even get that. 2 to 4 is the lowest, mostly laptops. 32 gigabyte, haha noobs. I have 128 gigabyte of RAMs, do you really? So you have 32 gig sticks. The thing is, you would probably never use more than 32. That's why, like, I have 32 and I don't use 32. And, like, I'm doing, like, so much heavy workload. Like, I've got Minecraft open, I'm streaming on this computer. IntelliJ open, Minecraft open, Photoshop open, GitHub open. So many things, and I'm still not, like, freezing at all, so I don't really need any more than this at this point. Like, the thing is, like, if you buy, like, let's say you buy 128 gig of RAM right now, you're stuck with what today's current generation of RAM is. And the thing is, like, in the future, you could get 128 gigabytes of RAM, but it's better RAM. DDR5. Whenever that's the next version of RAM, DDR5. So yeah, maybe it's too big. What do you guys think? Too big? Too big? Maybe reduce it to like image. Maybe like 120 instead. Then I have to reposition this. File save as. Much faster. Use the crop tool. You know, with the crop tool, I can't figure out the size as quickly. If I do canvas resize, I can easily see that it's 500 by whatever. I'm actually wanting to resize the canvas, not crop it. Like, I know it's technically cropping, but like I want to be very specific about the size, so that's why I use the canvas tool. Like, I know I use crop sometimes, but only when I don't really care about the size. I know you can be, but you have to be careful with your mouse. Like, I know what you're saying. Like, you can do, like, yeah, look, you can see what the width and the height is, but the thing is, like, let's say I want to go to 40, right? I've got to look at it and move my mouse very carefully to get 40 high. Whereas I could go actually canvas size. For this context, canvas size is better. But obviously for other stuff, let's say there's like, I don't know, for something, for instance, like I'll do like, I would use crop for this, like I'll do like that, select pixels, and I'll do like image.crop if I want to just have it to that. Like, that's when I would use crop. In this specific instance, I wouldn't use a selection and crop it. Alright, so did we fix that up? Change that to 60. Let's refresh that. We also need to refresh the resources. Each to their own. Yeah, that's fair enough. Bad language in your sub things on bottom right. Oh my god. There's not really a lot I can do. I can push it up. Let's have a look. Here, let me push it up. There we go. It's gone now. I subscribed to myself 3 times. Did that like... Oh, I think it squished it. Hold up. That looks like it squished it. We might have to reload the game here. Now I'm gonna go back in stream to see what that was after the stream, because I don't have DVR enabled because of the instant real-time interaction that I have with you guys. Because it's so much better being able to interact with you guys instantly instead of like 30 seconds later. Because I'd be like, what do you guys think of this? Wait 30 seconds. Oh, it's sick, crayfish. Like, that's what it's like. So, did you change the image size? Yeah. I did change it, but I don't think it reloaded properly. There we go. So, App Store. Oh my god. It's probably too big. I mean, no, the layout's too big. So. Alright, so let's do something like label equals new label. I'll say application market. Say left is layout width. Divided by 2, top, I don't know yet. Let's just do 30, 25. Label set alignment. Component. Align center. Label set scale, maybe 2. Then we also have to adjust this to like 20. And then we'll do layout, homepage layout, add component, label. We'll say label banner. Save that. Not bad. Maybe we could do like, instead of that, we'll do something like, how far can it go down? So like 30. Then maybe from the side here we'll do like 10. Oops. Get rid of that alignment. Is it still too big? What do you guys think? Is it too big or not? Application market. Big. Like have it down like there. We could get rid of the scale too. BT dubs. Nah. Doesn't work. We could do like app market instead. That might work better. But then it's called application market at the top here. We might rename the application like app market instead. App market. The latest and best apps in the game. App Store, lol. I didn't want to do App Store because that's Apple. Not that there'll be copyright issues because App Store is like such a... I mean, another service wouldn't name it App Store. But like inside of Minecraft, nobody would care. App Market. So basically we need to create... The thing is, like, we need to create a lot of custom components for this. Because, like, we want to have, like... It's a generic term. Anyone want to get me a yellow jumper? I need a yellow jumper, hey. Like, a yellow jumper would be pretty sick. Dude, how scary is this, right? I woke up. It was just my back door. My back door is like faulty, but I woke up, right? And luckily it only happened when I was awake. But like, I was like, what? I was like, why is there more sound coming down my hallway? And I go out of my bedroom, go into my hallway. Scary stories right here, guys. And I look and my back door's like open. I'm like, how? Because it was like completely locked. It was completely locked and it was still locked when it was open. Like, but it was open. I was like, how did that happen? But like, I think my back door's the thing for it just goes in. So like, if there's like strong wind or something like that, it can like open up. So yeah. I was like, a ghost. Crayfish, that's a ghost. Tell you right now, it's a ghost. You're gonna burn the house down. To be safe, just to be safe, burn the house down, Crayfish, alright? Just to be safe. Alright, so homepage. What happens in this instance? I never really tested this out. Set background. What happens? I never really tested this. Oh no, it will work. It will work because it takes the Y and then it, yeah. Okay, so set background. Maybe I can, I don't know. I want to have like a navigation bar like GitWeb. That's, by the way, hold up. Let's go search. Hey, there's GitWeb. Ah! It's a web browser of some sort. Yeah, we need to fix up this issue here. See where it corrupts off. Need to have like a dot dot there. You got mobile Fortnite, Cray? No, I don't. And then I'm gonna do GUI.drawRect x y x plus layout width y plus, I don't know, 20. I don't know, 20. Then I'm gonna do laptop.get system, get settings, get color scheme, header. What was it? Get header color. Get header color. We did color equals new color. I got you on my mind. So we'll make this 18. It's like plus 1. Plus 1. And that's gonna be 19. And plus 19. Plus 20. Lighter. Brighter. Darker. I just made a vehicle workshop on the sponsor server, so now engines can be changed. Look at Premium General to see it. Okay, let's have a look at this. You guys are a part of the sponsor server. On the creative server now, there's actually a way to get all the vehicles. Let's have a look. Oh, no, it'd be this one. General Premium, let's have a look. Jack's Vehicle Shack. Available now, Nintendo Switch. Hazardous Waste. That's a really cool banner, by the way. Really cool little banner. What was that? Engine. Oh, interesting. Got the placeable items. Oh, it's like a little workshop. Oh, that's cool. I know what you did. I know what you did. Did you use like entity data? Did you use like entity data so you can change around the engine? We might have to pop on the server afterwards. Pop on the server afterwards and check it out. That's cool. So if you guys want to become a sponsor, you can get part of the sponsor server. You get access to this cool stuff. I miss sponsor now. Yeah, it's one perk of being a sponsor. Okay, it's definitely not rendering it. Join voice chat while eating lunch. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I think I need to go to the shops though, so once I get back from the shops, then I'll go. Oh no, I've still got enough stuff here probably. Just not as fancy, toasty. Not as fancy. Needs more toasties. Cray, I'll be asleep. Ah! Okay. I don't know, unit offset. Say 10. Oh no, I did it wrong. Whoops. Oh no, I did it right. This needs to be like 60. There it is. Oh dang. That was like perfect. App market. Ah, that's looking beautiful. What do you guys think? Looks nice, doesn't it? So what I want to do is have like... Maybe we can move these, right? Put these like here or something like that. And we can get rid of the standard layout as well. Oh my god! We got a new sponsor! We did a sponsor. We'll wait for it to pop up. Wait for it to pop up before we get hyped here. Wait for it to pop up before we get hyped here. It's my new saying. Come on, pop up on the stream. It's not official yet. It's not official yet. Hey! Thank you, Mushiru. Hopefully that's not an offensive saying, because someone's done that before. Someone has done that before. Welcome, Mushiru. Becoming a new sponsor. What up, my dude? Make sure you join the Discord. Link in the description below. Oh no, I have to give you a link to the Mr. Crayfish Discord. Oh my god, hold up. Let me go ahead and get it for you. Copy, my dude. Let me post it in the chat. Join Discord. Join this Discord and make sure you have your YouTube gaming, your YouTube account linked up too. And then you should be able to get access to the whitelisting, because once you've basically joined on here, go to whitelisting to add your username to the server. And then it also has the IP address there. You also need to install the Cray pack as well. So, because we have mods on there. Do you pay to be a sponsor? Yes. That's the whole point of it, is to support the live streamer. Like, we got a ton of hype for him. Holy god, you guys went off. Thank you guys for spamming the hype there for our new sponsor. I'm gonna do a quick late minute hype there for him. A little bit of Teletubbies and Yeet. We only have 20 peeps. I know, where'd they go? They left me. Can't anyone join the server now? No. It's never been like that. I don't see whitelisting. It's because you haven't got your account linked up yet. Is your YouTube account linked up, dude? Because you have to be in like the actual list here to actually be able to see it. Otherwise, it's completely hidden. I'll give it a refresh. It might take... Oh, hold up. Streamer mode. I was scared there for a second. Streamer mode wasn't on. Hold up. Integrations. Refresh. Make sure you have your YouTube gaming account linked up, dude. You might not have it. Yeah, I don't think you're linked. because it didn't actually say those anymore. So link it up, and then it should like, it does do it automatically, but I'll give it a manual refresh so you can get it instantly. Alright, so let's go ahead. What we're going to do is move that into the actual scrollable layout. We could keep it there actually. We could keep it there because it's like more of like a... It's like a thing you kind of always want access to. We're also going to change the height from, where was it, 1000? Let's change it to like 400 instead. 400 or 300? No, 400. Trying to think. Maybe 300. Have you guys seen the new transition? Maybe you guys are just new around here. But I added a brand new transition to my live stream. So I just want to show it off again because it's awesome. Let's go to this layout here. Have a look at this. Oh dang! So awesome. I love it. It's so epic. Rate it out of 10 right now, guys. Let's go back to the programming. 1. Mr. Crayfish Live. So official too. So professional, I should say. It was actually pretty easy to create, to be honest. Like, surprisingly, it was pretty easy to create. 4,000 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Secret mods you've never seen. Minecraft. Where is RC car mod? That was from an old, that's not there. Basically that video is about Mod Week Season 2, so that's why it wasn't in it. Out of 10, the sound is really weird and the transition is way too long. I gotta plug it though. The thing is, like, I don't use my idea is that I'm not going to be using it that much, so the transition doesn't matter. Like, it's a 5-second transition, but my idea is not to use it that often. So, because I eventually want to have my socials on there as too, so you kind of need a little bit of time to see what the socials are, and maybe like I'll have like, remember to snap that like button or something. So that's why it's a little bit longer. But yeah, I'm going to fix up the sound. I'm not like 100% happy with it. Because it basically, what it was is like a guitar. It's not like a guitar strum. It's like a guitar. I think they strummed and then like you bring up the guitar like that. I just basically found a sound. But I need to find something better. Did you fix the save bug for what, the vehicle mod? Is that what you're talking about? Add a server that has add a server that has a list of top rated apps, Cray. It's called Guitar Rift. Yeah, that's it. I don't know anything about music. I know zero about music. I added myself to the whitelist. Did you? Let's see if, where is it? Where's our new sponsor guy? There we go. Updated. You should be on here now. You should be on here now. It said 22. It said 22. So maybe he has to link it up. I hope there's a top 10 app section. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do it because I don't want to have to create a... Yeah, I don't know. Because like people are gonna, I don't want to make a server. It's too much work for that. It's too much work for that. Cray.com. I mean, oh yeah, I could use my website, to be honest. I could use my website and have a database on there, keeping track of what apps are installed and whatnot. But like, it's difficult to ensure that it's like, I don't know. I don't know how I'd keep track of it. In terms of logic. Like I know I can use my website to store it, but what's the logic behind it? Besides a URL. Alright. We might put like a... hot apps. We want hot apps. Hot trending apps. On fire apps at the moment. On fire. Label. Hot apps. You could have a rate button that could update the list of top 20. Yeah. But like how, like, then how do I know, if it's like a legitimate person or not? Like I could have a rate button within, the server, but I can't have like a rate button which would work globally, user auth. But then I have to store details about the player on a web server. And like it would be like easily. I mean, yeah. I don't know how I'd do it. I don't want to have to do anything with passwords though. I don't have to do with anything with user authentication, because that means I have to do it on my own server. Unless I can test if a key is valid. I don't know how I would do that, because obviously we have some sort of token of some sort. If I can send that token to my website, not store it, but like send that token to a website and then I can verify. But then I need to store stuff about what the player name is as well. MC has user authentication. Yeah, I know MC has user authentication, but like I have to do that on my web server if I'm going to be authenticating it correctly. Because like you could say, oh yeah, it's a valid player on the client side, but is it a valid player on the server side? That's where the problem is. Coding in Minecraft makes awesome. Yeet. I'm sad now you haven't read any of my chats out loud. What have you said? After the stream finishes, do a showcase of the device mod's new update. We're not going to be... It's not ready yet, unfortunately. I wish I could, but I can't. Where did boat racing go? It's kind of... I don't know. It's like, it's there, but like I don't want to work on it because it distracted me from the actual focus, and that is actually working on the mod and working on the API. Please make it happen one day. I think what we're gonna do for now is like... we can have like a thing here for like categories, maybe. We'll just have like a list of things for categories. Like categories there. We'll have some text here saying, I don't know, find like the latest label description equals new label. Find the latest applications, find. I don't know, what can we write here, guys? Find the latest applications. Add the ability to register apps and link them to a download the mod jar. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do actually. Is actually have like a link, like have a bit where you can actually search for real applications and then download them. But like it will have like, I think for that I'm only gonna have like actually certified applications only. Certified applications only that you can download like that. Because I don't want anybody being able to, you know, say, you know, download this app. Like I only want like proper certified apps to have that ability to be not on the, they're not actually installed, but you can have a link to it on here. Because this is like the official app market, so I only want like official stuff and then installed applications. Like ones checked out by you. Yes, that's what I mean by when I say certified. Stuff that is approved by myself. So that's why I'm hoping that people such as yourself, Ocelot, can develop some applications that I can certify. Because I want to certify some applications and showcase how awesome the device API is. So, still waiting on some like actual kind of standout applications. How did you get the developer mode? It's basically you're asking the creator of the mod. You've got to run it in a deobfuscated environment, aka a modding environment. Find the latest applications in the app market. I know. I don't want to be cheesy though. I don't want to be cheesy. What could we put here? Find the latest applications on Minecraft. Oh my god. Just bubble burst right now. Yeah, probably have to be on Wi-Fi for this to work. I just came. What are you working on? We're working on the app market, my dude. The app market. Do a Yeet hype? Should we do a Yeet hype? We don't really have a Yeet proper emoji thing. What's this? Oh my god, I got like a billion notifications. Sick. Just love getting so many notifications. Hashtag read a message. Yeet. I enabled boat races in a development environment and everything is functional except when you enable the boat it crashes. Yeah, no. That's why I kind of disabled it, because they kept getting reports of, like, I would have it enabled, then I would get reports of like boat races crashes. I'm like, yeah, I know. Because I'm not working on it. Find the latest applications to install. Find the latest. I don't want to be, I don't know, it's kind of misleading when I say search. Search the app market for app. Find, search. Find awesome. I don't know. Mindbay just crashes when you open it. Rip Mindbay. I was surprised when Boat Races was pretty much functional. Yeah, it's because Boat Races hasn't really changed, and the API hasn't really changed. Like, it's pretty much the same in terms of it all working the same. You said to had download a pack to play on your server. Where do I get said pack? I'll help you out, dude, here real quickly, because I want to get you on the server. So if you actually go to... Oh, here we go. So Master Chief posted it, dude. Master Chief posted it. If you click on that link there, it will take you to the Mr. Crayfish pack. Simply just download that and run that. It also has like a how to install button there if you've never installed a mod pack before. Use the how to install. Why, Jackson? Should be the latest one. You have to use the Twitch launcher. Yes. Alright. App market, and then we need category. I don't know what to write here. Find all that. Find all applications. App market. We're not like it's not as official as it is. Like, I don't want to make it seem like, oh, crazy cool. App market. Search category. Search for. Search for applications to install. Find it. I don't know. Let me know if you have any problems, Mushiru. What do I do? I don't know what to write. I need to write something. I need to fill in something there. Why are all these NCS songs so good? It's because it's NCS, my dude. I mean, this is the song that copyrighted me last time. Blah 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 blah. Skip it. I did some research on that copyright claim, by the way. Did some research on it, right? Alright, so there was this... It was like this really bogus copyright claim. Apparently, I used their song, right? However, that song right there, right? It was copyrighted by another person that had sped up the song by like, I don't know, like 150%. And it was just like a faster version of the song. Right? It was a faster version of the song. Then what I did, right, is I searched up the name, which was like Alba Moons, right? The person was called Alba Moons. However, the person who created that song is not called Alba Moons. Completely different. But this person that copyrighted was Alba Moons, right? And they had a Facebook page. Let's see if I can find it. Alba Moons. Yeah, here we go. This one. This is the person that copyrighted. Hold on, let's just be careful about what I show you on this. I just want to make sure that I'm not leaking any information. Alright, we should be all good. Let's double check. Like, what the heck? What the heck is this, right? This is the person that copyrighted it, right? 1 like. Like, this person's not even known. Like, they're claiming to be like some artist. Look at this, graphics. Graphic design is my forte. Look at this. Look at this, 10 out of 10 graphic design. Like some anime weird thing. Like, look here. Heart of Fire, which is that song, right? And whatever this Out Now. These are literally copyrighted songs. They've sped up by like 150% and releasing it as their own. You do not own these songs. Like, look, they even put on like on Apple Music. That's why it's getting copyrighted, because it's on like Apple Music. See, look at this post. Wow, I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. Why is now the most listened album of my albums and songs? It's so cool because I didn't know that. Why will be so good? Why is best album yet? And because we reached 100,000 listeners on why I'm planning a surprise coming soon. It looks like they don't speak English because they can't really write correctly. Graphic design is my passion. Look at this. Graphic design, my passion. Like, literally nobody follows them. Unfortunately, If I Were Sorry will not be released. Instead, Unbelievable will be released December 19th instead of December 18th because I needed more time. Like the most... Nobody knows of this. It's literally... Like, they did not create that song. Like, this song here, they did not create it. It's literally just a sped up version of the song. And they're releasing it as their own music. Like, oh, I put so much work into this. I went into Audacity and sped it up. Oh my god, I'm an artist now. It's literally... It's like probably fake as heck. Because if it's like... Because they can't speak. They probably like created a page like this to... I don't know, seem legitimate. Like who... I don't know. Most annoying thing. Search them on Google. Apparently they are a music artist. They ain't no music artist, I tell you right now. Like the thing is, it's the same with YouTube as well. Like people like re-upload video. Like, alright, people re-upload videos of like copyrighted content, and then they'll be like, "Thanks guys for getting it to 1 million views." I'm like, you didn't even create the video, you just re-uploaded it. But thanks guys for getting this song to 1 million views. I didn't create it, but thank you guys for getting it to 1 million views. Subscribe to my channel for more copyrighted content that I didn't even create myself. Like, I never understood that. People like praying, oh, I got 1,000 views on this video, but I didn't even create it. But they didn't even create it, sorry. They know nothing about music. Pretty much. I mean, you guys can go search it up. Search up Album Moons and tell me any information you can find out. Do some digging. Because honestly, that is like, how does that get through? How does that actually get through? Someone actually using a copyright song, speeding it up and uploading it as their own music. Especially something like Apple Music. You think they would have had like some way to prevent that. These kinds of people are just guys that grew up without a mama. Dude, it's honestly insane. Like how easily they can just like, the thing is, right? Let's say they did this on a big YouTuber, like my video got no views, but let's say they did this on a big YouTuber. by the time you get your copyright claim released and whatnot, they've already earned all that money, I think. I'm not sure too much how it works, but like, they're now earning money off my video because they just created some fake. They uploaded their music to Apple Music and then automatically it copyrights anything on YouTube or whatever. Like, oh my god, you're such a cool artist. No, you're not. It sucked. Someone tried to claim one of my videos as their, and I literally had to pay legal fees to get my music given back to me and 2 court sessions. Are you legitimate? Damn, that's crazy, Blue Barracuda. Tell me more. What time is it over there? 1:42 PM. Label description. I don't know what to call this. This is so difficult. Why is it so difficult? I don't know why. I just want to put some text here. But I don't know what to put here. Do a button that redirects to a link in GitWeb. Welcome. Yes. Welcome. Welcome back. I've been tracking you. Call it text for Christ's sake if you can't figure out a name. Text. Placeholder. Call it foobar. Call it foobar. I never understood why programming they use the terms foobar, because it literally it like derails from actually promoting good variable names. Meaningful variable names. Like foobar means nothing. And they're literally just placeholder names. And there's not even any sort of special history behind it. It's literally someone just used foobar as an example and then it became popular. So, just spent this whole week figuring out how to structure my network messages. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to the market. Find. Welcome back to Cooking with the Cray. In this episode, you'll be learning how to make toast. Some people get quite intimidated when it comes to making toast, but all you have to do is stick it. Foobar is from World War II era when engineers would test out new programmers for business and military. I think it comes from some French word or something like that. Is it like an actual word? Foobar. Stick it in the toaster and turn it on. Welcome back to Cooking with the Cray. I can say it. I feel like I'm saying it exactly. Welcome back to Cooking with the Cray. Good night, Wubby. See you later, Bloxy. Boom. You guys become a sponsor yet? Get access to custom emoji. Oh yeah, we might actually be able to get another custom emoji, my dudes. We actually got 2 new sponsors, so let's leave. Let's have a look. Might actually be able to finally get another custom emoji. Sponsorships. Let's have a look. Because please, I want to get another one. We got 20. Yes! We can get one. Alright, we'll have to do like an emerald or something like that. Wait, what's this? It's beyond reckon... What do you mean in TJ? I'm not sure what you're on about there. Fubar. It's a phonetic transcription. It means effed up beyond all recognition. Ah, interesting. Welcome to the market that sells everything. I don't think we sell everything. Oh dude, you should make cooking videos, upload to your main channel, be like, we're a cooking channel now, make it Mr. Cofish Cooks live stream. Welcome back to Cooking with the Cray. What do you use to record videos? Fraps. Fraps, my dude. Welcome. Welcome to the market. Fine. Oh. Welcome. That's all we'll do. Alright, we need like a button. An array. Fraps, really? Welcome to the market that sells Yeet apps. Random applications. We need to just have like random applications. Random applications. We need to make like the height of this layout dynamic though, because basically we need to do like random applications. Every time that you open the app, it puts random application. Yeah, well, good night. Did you end up getting it, Mushi? I'm not sure if you got it. If there are any problems with the mod pack, do let me know, because we'll help you out. Welcome to the app market. Please select your app now! Rip, I gotta go soon. I probably won't be able to join voice chat. It's alright. Long John. Who's Long John again? Oh yeah, that mod. People are like, he swore. He swore. When is your birthday? September 29th. Why, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do for me? You guys gonna give me a present? Welcome to the best app store. I don't know. Welcome back. I don't know how to lay out the app market homepage. It's kind of confusing. Yeet hype. Localized, damn it. Wish we could send fan mail, that would be cool. I might open up a PO box. It just really depends on the demand. Would you guys want to send fan mail to me? Send me fan mail, please. What would you send me? Icon re. Maybe have a section at the top with popular apps and some apps that change every so often. Yeah, the thing is, like, it's hard to measure that. How do I measure what's popular? Star nums divided by reviews. I know, but like storing that data, storing it, and doing it good. Because like, what about if you're on a single player world? It's just too much work to. I don't want to do that I don't want to do that much work just for the app store. It's going too crazy. I want something that's simple and straightforward. Number of stars, then the number of users submitted. But like, you gotta keep track of who's submitted. You gotta keep track of all that stuff. There's a lot to it. There's a lot to it. I know, it should just be like random apps. That's the only way I can really do it. Is just randomize. Like, I still have categories, like categories at the most. Categories at the most and have like just random. I know, you could do like sort of thing. Start, I am. Apps by selecting a category below. Maybe that. Ah, rip. Start finding apps by selecting a category. Nah, I don't like that. Welcome back. Oh no, we could have like welcome back. We could do like something like Minecraft. Don't get Minecraft. Dot player. Get name. Creep them out. Welcome back, player 335. Welcome. Welcome. Pull PR bro. Pull PRs bro. Welcome. Enjoy your visit. Maybe check it if it's first time, maybe. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Welcome player. We should also make that line up better. Make it in line with the like that looks better. That looks a little bit better if you ask me. what I want to do is like then have another label. Categories. Categories. About 5 this time, maybe like 80. We could do like text. We need to change the color of this text. I'm back, babies. We could do something like toggle buttons. We could do like an array of toggle buttons. I don't think we have enough icon. Oh, it's already installed. We don't have anything to like indicate all icons. I guess could be like all. Oh, you know what we could do with that sort icon is literally just put that top bit at the bottom and the short one at the top. Just because it's the same as this one. We do want to change that around. Yeah. Gaming. Smoke break BRB, oh my god. Make sure you don't say heckin'. I know. Don't say that on my Christian Minecraft server, alright? Otherwise you get in the boot. Say the toot, you get the boot. Okay. We have an icon here. How many can I donate? What do you mean? Where's your Bible verse of the hour? I know, I should be doing that. Praise thy cheese and crackers. Praise thy cheese and crackers, my dudes. It'd be cool to have like here, right? Like have a search thing, but then also have like maybe a drop down for the categories as well. Like have a drop down for categories so you can search by like either all categories or like certain applications. Maybe we could have certified applications, certified apps, like actually make it an awesome thing to do this. We could do label certified, set shadow, false, label, set text color. Be a good color. Certified apps. We could do instead here, do like text formatting, dot bold. Make it look a little bit bigger or something like that. Certified apps. Maybe we'll draw shadows still. Yeah, it's hard to read it though. Like text formatting dot yellow. I don't think that fits. Yeah, no, I'm still trying to figure it out. Yellow. Aqua. Like it needs to be, yeah, it needs to be clean. Like it probably needs, we need to do some like custom rendering. Cyan will look cool. There's no cyan. I think it's dark aqua. Certified apps. So like orange, no. Gold. Gold would be the closest. Maybe instead of welcome, we do like this. This actually looks good. We have like this, right? Certified apps. And then we have a list of the other certified apps here. And then we could have like a button to like view all. But I also need to like draw this again, right? But like, because I can do like offset equals like 100, you know? You can do something like that and draw like another one. Certified apps. We need to change the color of that too. Let's do something prestigious. Prestigious gray. Prestigious gray. That actually looks kind of good. What do you guys think? That looks kind of good. What do you think? Or should it be white? Should we have white? Yeah, the white does kind of look good. Ban Noah for fraud? What do you mean? Doesn't even make sense. Dark grey. Do some Roblox videos? No. Sorry about that. Yeet the treat when it isn't neat. Where's my yeet rhymes? We need some yeet rhymes in this joint. Neat the treat. For my feet. Because I can't keep. Ah, my knees. I don't know. Neat the treat. Neat the treat for my yeet. Because you ain't jumping on my leet. Certified apps. Ah, and we could also do this. Look at me being smart and stuff. My god, my hand. If you guys don't know, this is the wrist that I broke. And it's like still sometimes painful. Like I'll have like, I don't know. It's not 100%. It's not like it was before. Keep it grey. White is not pro. But what I want to do here, right, is I want to have another label. I can make this so much better, but official. I'll say like verified. Buttons. Approved. Approved apps by Mr. Crayfish. Get rid of that. Copy that actually. Paste it over here. Oops. I don't know, 50. And then we're gonna do text formatting, grey. See, dark grey actually. Can't even read that now. Those cigarettes. What happens if I do label, set scale, 0.5, like half? Uh-oh. Yeah, it doesn't really work too well. Scaling is really awkward. Verified by Mr. Crayfish. Certified apps verified by Mr. Crayfish. Let's say actual label, set alignment, align right, and then we can say layout width, take 10. There we go. Do it 0.875 because the live stream is 99.875. The next one is going to be 99.9375, by the way. Certified apps verified by Mr. Crayfish himself. That actually looks really nice. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Looks nice? It does. Beautiful. $1 billion out of 10. Nice. Are you done? I want to try out the mod. No. I want to try out the app market, see if it works. No, it doesn't work. I can't create a mod in a day. Teach a man to program in a day, he'll die. Teach a man to program for a year, he will become rich. I don't know. That was my famous quote. Teach a man to program, he can program. Teach a man to hold off releasing his mod, he can become rich. Certified apps. Because I want to make like certified apps the actual real deal. Like if you guys get your app certified, it means like, this means, right, your application is going to be visible to every single person who uses the device mod, regardless if it's installed or not. It's going to be available to everybody, or shown to everybody. So getting your app certified is good. Staff picks. We should have like a staff picks. Staff approved. What I want to do is get rid of the standard layout and use something else. Sponsor made. Yeah, it's hard to say sponsor made. We need to develop a custom component that can take in a list of not app infos, but like there'll be more like application entry, app entry, and it will take in, it can take in an app info, but I want to be able to take in a URL. I want to be able to take in a URL for an image, because certified apps might not even be installed, but we need to be able to know the actual location. We need to know the image location so we can actually download it and install it. I'll show you the actual image of it on here. But, I mean, we've got some good progress done, I would say. Like, it's not bad progress. But I want to definitely change this around and make it better. Because what I want to make, get rid of this, right? Get rid of this, right? Yeah, that's one thing I need to implement is... it's hard to figure that out. Could you send me the racetrack schematic or upload it to the sponsor server because I want to add it to the creative server? Yeah, I've got the actual track. I'll give it to you. And then yeah, put it on the sponsors, put it on the creative server because we want to play with it. I would first, yeah, the thing is like it's got a lot of the land mass in it. So you're going to have to kind of fix it up, but I'm sure you want to do it. I'm getting PayPal soon so I can sponsor you. Awesome. I mean, yeah, you don't have to, but obviously if you really want to, that's up to everybody. And I do promote it, you know. Becoming a sponsor does help me out. So if you are thinking about becoming a sponsor, become a sponsor. But if you can't afford it and, you know, don't feel guilty if you can't become a sponsor, that's completely fine. Just do what you can do to support me and I'm pretty happy with that. Can you put a web thing? Yeah, something like that I can do. Maybe. We'll see. Because it would be good on GitWeb to have history. What up, my dude? You just you go into GitWeb history minehub.com. minehub.com. Who's been on that website? What the heck? Who's been on that website? Yes, I'm saying web history. Who's been on minehub.com? Hey Cray, I gotta go soon. Could you send me the schematic on Discord? I gotta import it real fast. Okay. Jackson play is schematics. I think that's you. Yeah. Enjoy. What are you doing? We're working on the app market, but we're actually finishing up soon because it's been over 2 hours now. But I'd say good progress came today. I think we're kind of held off because we need to actually develop a custom component that can actually display applications real easily. So we'll have to do that. Yeah, there's a bit to do. When we certified applications, then we'll say like random applications, and then we could do like view. We could have a button that says like view all or something like that. Because like the thing is, I don't want to have a rating system. I could, but it's just a lot of work. Oh my god, ow. I have like, I don't know, it feels like, I don't know, probably gonna get arthritis. probably gonna get arthritis. My mom has arthritis. So I feel like I'm gonna get arthritis when I'm older. Because I feel like I have like the same hands as my mum's. They have like the same hands. They look the same. So probably gonna get arthritis when I'm older. Lel. Like I already feel like I have it now. Not really, but maybe it's just I'm getting older. Maybe it's just I'm getting older that it feels different. Not that I have arthritis. It's good you didn't have baby hands. And my hands are freaking huge. Freaking huge. He swore on the Christian stream. Yep, hand review. Hand review. Okay, yeah. We'll stop looking at this and spending 100 years on it. Do my PR. I want to refactor it a little bit. I think what we need to do is like, I'm not sure exactly what you did, but I think you added in like contributors or something like that. Because like the thing is like with the author lists, I don't know. We'll see. I gotta figure it out. Authors and contributors. All right, we'll see. I'll have to look into it before I pull it. I'm gonna test it out before I actually merge it. Well, I tried to import the schematic, but we need to expand the world border. I can expand it by a little bit. I just don't want to make it too big on the creative server because, yeah. Actually, what we might do for the last part of this live stream is actually go onto the sponsor server. So if you guys are a sponsor, join in right now. I'm just going to do a quick jump on and see what's changed on it type thing. Who knew that episode could be divided so many times? We're approaching 100, so basically we're taking half steps. We're like dividing it by 2 every single time. So whatever the distance to 100 is, we're dividing it by 2, then adding it onto the episode number. So next one's going to be 99.9375. See mods. Updated yesterday. Refresh. Update to new profile. Oh, the change look. Hold up. Repair Minecraft. Okay. Why isn't it updating? Is it the latest version? Vehicle mod 7. Latest? Oh no, is that the latest one? No, it's 8. Why isn't it updating? Oh my god. Hold up, let's remove profile. Yeah. Delete backups, I don't care. Turn it to Cray pack. Files are locked, cannot delete. What? The Cray pack. Install. I had the same issue. Yeah, it's kind of glitched. Maybe it's because I installed custom mods. I felt that app info should distinguish between 2 different authors rather than just one, and maybe use that for something like point system on CurseForge. Wait, what? App info should distinguish between 2 different authors rather than just one. What do you mean? I don't know what you mean. My mod packs. Here we go. Play. Play, please. Ability to have multiple authors listed. Yeah. Alright, let's load this up. We're also going to switch over to the brand new layout. If you guys haven't seen this transition yet, prepare yourselves, because it's going to be absolutely amazing. We need to really fix up this resolution issue, because it's really annoying me, because I always have mine set to 720p exactly, so I can have the perfect live stream layout, because it's the proper resolution. But because this doesn't size proper, it's annoying when I try to do it. Alright, switch over. Rip. Hold up. Rest in peace. Minecraft full screen. Let's add a new game capture. Add new source. Capture specific window. Minecraft. There we go. It's like this, so it's not wide enough. Let's move it down to... What the heck? Where's my mod list? No mods installed. Get mod. What the heck? Versions. Current. Continue. Repair Minecraft. The heck is this? Alright, I'll be back in a sec. You'll see a black screen for a second here. I just don't want to change. Oh my god, the wrong song! Oh god! The music is too loud. Low. Whoops. Why is it not working? Refresh. Now I have like 2 versions. Why is this not working? I just wanted to quickly go on. Now I don't want to have to deal with 10 hours of trying to figure out what's wrong. The Cray pack. The mods, the pack's probably broken. You sure you didn't provide like a downloading the Cray pack. It's just like the Forge profile when you select play in the Minecraft launcher. Is that right? No, but it already had Forge loaded up. I'm saying the mods aren't even installed. Look. Open profile. See, let me switch back over to this one so you guys can see. Oh yeah, my beautiful transition. Look here, mods. Nothing installed in it. That's what I'm saying. This one, yes. This one, nothing installed. So there's no mods at all installed. It's basically empty. I just wanted to get on the server! My god! Delete backups, I don't care. Why are you crap? The Twitch one is glitched for some odd reason. Import the profile. But now nobody can join because they can't download it. Where is it? Stuff. I don't know where the link is. I don't have a link. I don't have a link. It's not in star. There it is. But now nobody can join. Oh my god, I can't even... download the pack. Oh my god, it's gonna take forever! Oh my god. I'm on the server right now. All the mods are in the manifest. I don't know why Twitch does this. It works for some people. Do it tomorrow. But I might not be live streaming tomorrow. Oh no, actually it might be. No, I'm just saying I wanted to pop on. I just want to... Like, okay, apparently I can't delete this, but I can delete you. Look, I can delete it like that if I want to. Doesn't even care. Let's go quit. Exit Twitch. Oops, not Twitter. Alright. Browse mod packs. The Cray pack. Manifest is probably broken. How can you look at the manifest? Yeah, well, it's definitely there. There's no way it downloaded in that time. Yeah, it definitely didn't do it. I can't have... No. Alright, whatever. Have the Cray pack. Let's have a look. I don't know, it's completely broken. It's completely broken. Not even here it says anything. Maybe let's go play. It's completely broken. Not even the imported. Go to the mod pack, click the very three dots at the top of the corner and select profile options. Then check locked. Unlocking the layer, make sure it's locked. It's not even installed even with the imported mod pack. Even with the imported mod pack, it doesn't install it. Yeah, no, I can install, remove, and delete, but I'm just saying I can't even download the mod, the base mod pack, even with importing it. Even with importing it, it's completely broken. It's completely broken, my dude. Completely broken. Well, can't get on the sponsor server anymore. Let's see, what happens if I do an old version, 1.8? The Cray pack 1.8. See, look, that works! Or not. I swear I did something different. What was I having to play? Close that off. Play. Yeah, it's completely broken. Well, I can't play on the server now, guys. Don't have the mods. And I'm not going down there. I'm not finding every single mod and installing it. There you go. Twitch is broken. Twitch not downloading mod packs. And it's been a problem forever and they haven't fixed it. Lots of problems on the new Twitch client in Minecraft. Yeah, it's been broken since April last year. Awesome. Apparently run it as administrator. Let's try this. Custom installer will be coming out soon. I think the custom installer will be so much better, especially a bit easier for everybody, to be honest. Refresh. Update to new profile, continue. Repair. Like, it only installs what's needed. Like, it doesn't even download fixed launcher. Yeah, it's not even downloading it. My god. The Cray pack, how to install. Like, it's not even download. Genius, Cray. It's not even installing it. Well, there you go. I'm not doing it now. Alright, that's it for the live stream. Thank you guys for joining in today. I'm going to go over to Twitter right now and do some shout outs. I'm going to switch over this layout too. Because apparently it's completely broken and I don't know what to do. So I'm not going to be on the server until it gets fixed. Just update CubG mods. CubG has all the sponsor server mods. No, it doesn't. Or does it? Still, I don't want to load. I can't. If I load up CubG, I mean, even if I copy the mods over, nah. I doubt CubG has the latest mods. I doubt it has the latest mods. Well, how am I going to update CubG? How am I going to update CubG? What do you think I'm going to do? I don't even have the latest stuff. I don't want to have to go through every single thing and update it. It shouldn't be that difficult. I'll say that right now. It shouldn't be that difficult. Alright, shout out to TJ TJ Mains, Blue Barracuda, Envy and Golem 47, J Splat, Master Chief, Joseph 1000, Acid Pop, Gaming Anime, Fabby 50, Haunted Corpse, Abby, Builder Boy 426, ThinkLab Minions, Goon, Blue Creeper, Zeph, Jack Chronicle, and Zach McNugget. I love that last name, Zach McNugget. Thank you guys for the retweets over on Twitter. I appreciate all you guys. And what a great ending to this live stream. Showing off a broken Twitch launcher, which doesn't even update. I just want to uninstall everything. Because this is broken. This is broken. Doesn't even work. Completely broken. Refresh does nothing. It literally just refreshes the list of mods and says no hosted mods installed. Alright. Go away, Twitch, you crap. Get me a standalone launcher and we'll start this up. But that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the live stream today. And I'll catch you guys most likely tomorrow. Maybe main channel. Main channel live stream. Main channel live stream. Might do some more building actually. Because I want to do some more building. But thanks guys for coming along. I'll catch all of you guys later. I'll have new emoji tomorrow as well. So, oh no, that will just be for this channel. Main channel I won't. But I'll have new emoji regardless. But thanks guys for coming along. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.